From the Tennessee Valley Weather Channel, this is your weekend weather.
Hey, good morning, folks. I think to begin our weekend for today, not that bad of a day, a typical June day as we head through the rest of the next few hours. Temperatures getting up to the mid to upper 80s. All in all, I think we mostly stay dry, a few scattered showers possible. As we head into tomorrow, though, chance of severe weather. We'll have to keep an eye on that. Usually you don't expect that for June, but any time of year here in the Tennessee Valley can yield some strong to severe storms. So we'll discuss that more here in a few moments. And then as we head into the work week, cooling off just a little bit, still warm, just a little more mild as we head over the next few days. As for today, here's what I'm talking about. Nice day in store, a few patchy clouds possible, and maybe a very scattered to isolated shower, especially in northwestern Alabama through tonight and into the early hours of this evening. Don't think that's going to be a big deal. I think most of us will stay dry and climb squarely into the mid to upper 80s. Heck, maybe even flirting with 90 in some of the warmer spots across the area. Show you what I'm talking about here on the Futurecast. There's that patchy cloud cover. We have moisture in the Tennessee Valley, so that's why we have that kind of patchy cloud cover. Then off to the west, some storms do develop. Looks like we stay dry for the most part, but as we head through tonight, notice how those are dying, pushing east with time here. So the chance for a scattered shower or two is possible tonight, but don't think that'll impact the forecast too much. Either way, we still have a lot of moisture coming out of the south there as we head into tomorrow, starting the day out in the 70s, climbing through the 80s for our Sunday. And that does have implications. That's what I was talking about. The chance of some strong to severe storms as we head through Sunday afternoon, as we head through tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow evening, and maybe to the early hours of tomorrow night. So that's exactly what I'm talking about here. Well, let's discuss that. So I think the main chances of severe weather come starting after about 3 or 4 in the afternoon, lasting through the evening. I think the main threat of severe weather will be the chance for damaging winds in excess of 60 miles an hour. And some of the larger storms might have some larger hail in them, and you cannot necessarily rule out a tornado or two. Just bottom line up front, this is not going to be a huge tornado outbreak, nothing like that, but it is June, we have moisture in the Tennessee Valley, and we have a little bit of energy in the atmosphere. So we need to keep an eye on this for the possibility of some severe weather as we head through tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow evening, and in the early hours of tomorrow night. Not going to be a huge deal, just stay prepared, we'll be just fine as we head through tomorrow. Me and Fred will be with you just in case anything happens there tomorrow. As we head into the big picture, you see that system moves off to the south, keeps us a little bit more mild as we head over the next few days, pass it into the first half of the work week. Then we get back into this unsettled pattern as we head into midweek and beyond, more systems manifesting off to the west there. So it looks like we're keeping the rain chances as we head into the work week. Let me show you what I was talking about when I said mild here. We get back down to the upper 70s, maybe some lower 80s as we head through midweek and beyond. Some of the lows getting back down to the lower to mid 50s. By no means cool, but a little bit cooler than average for this time of year. So, big picture, let's see what we have in store. There's that chance of rain as we head through tomorrow night and then maybe into the early hours of Monday morning as that begins to move out of here. But notice as we head into the extended term, we're really keeping those rain chances in the forecast there. So we're definitely in this kind of unsettled pattern. Don't think it's going to be too big of a deal, but you always want to pay attention. So be sure to download the free Tennessee Valley Weather app for quick updates if anything is issued, and stay with us as we head through tomorrow just to see what these storms do. I think we'll be just fine. We'll stay with you just in case anything happens, and God bless. Thanks for watching this forecast update.